Things are really happening in the garden. Here are some tips for success. I know I'm not the only person with weeds in their garden. They pop up in my paths, around garden beds and along fence lines. I need to get them under control before they flower, set seed and spread by using a non-selective weed killer that will kill them, roots and all. Bees are a crucial part of our gardens, helping to pollinate lots of fruit and veggies. But what happens if you've got bees in your garden and also insect pests attacking your veggies like tomatoes, cucumbers and zucchinis? Well, now you can be safe to bees and tough on pests. Yates Organic Garden Pest Killer is made from an extract from the blue butterfly pea plant. It controls common pests like two-spotted mites, caterpillars, whitefly and mealybug, and is safe for bees. Have you noticed curl grubs in your pots or garden beds? These are the larvae of the African black beetle, and they chew through plant roots, causing plant health to really suffer. To control curl grubs and protect your plants, you can apply Yates Organic Garden Pest Killer as a drench over garden beds and pots. It's also approved for use in organic gardens. For more gardening advice, chat to our experts. Happy gardening!